Hi friends, welcome to Old Style Learning Hindi, and today we are going to learn about the Matra in Hindi. Matra is nothing but the vowel. If you are not writing the vowel, it has the symbol also. Okay, so that symbol is called Matra, just like here, a ki Matra. Okay, so we are going to learn each vowel's symbol which you can use in the word when you are writing. So a does not have any symbol because every alphabet has the a sound. The second one is a. Our second vowel is a, and the matra for a is this. Okay, and I. The matra for this is I. So the left side, okay, left side. E, the matra is one line and the circle, but the line is right side. So this is the difference. I, E, then U. This matra go under the word, okay, under the letter. U. This matra also go under the letter, but it's the opposite. So you have to remember this. This is like 6 and this is like 9, okay. And then R. So it is also go under the letter, and this is just like a C, small c, okay. Then A, it has one matra on top of the line. Then A, it has two matra on top of line, okay. Then O, so you will not write this, right? O, then O. So the matra is for O is this. So every matra is with the A letter, right? So we can replace this A letter with any of our consonant, and then this is mostly used in Sanskrit, but like angur, amber, in those words we use this letter, okay, this symbol. And aha, this is completely for the Sanskrit. So I hope you learned the matra. We will let's revise one more time. This is simple consonant or and then a, I, E, U, R, E, I, O, Aha. These are the matra, okay? For example, let's take a consonant K, our first consonant, okay? So if you write K, it will be K here, okay? If you write Ka, the matra comes after the letter. Ka, I, before the letter. E, again after the letter. U, below the letter. U, below the letter. You see the difference? This goes left, this goes right, okay. The circle go under this is you say the opposite circle, okay. Kr, okay. Then K, Kai, here Ko, you see, Kau, Kam, Kaha. Please like, share and subscribe Old Style Learning for more interesting videos. Thank you.